Isuzu D-max 3-liter diesel. Yeah, hello, welcome to the Highway Pro. My name is Batsrai. So on this video I'm going to show you how to remove the oil filter and the location of the oil filter. So if you haven't subscribed, please support me by subscribing, like, comment. It means a lot, and yeah, thank you in advance for those who are going to subscribe. So okay, the oil filter is located right at the front of the engine. You can see that all these pulley belts. There is the oil filter. So for you to be able to get where our oil filter is, first thing first, you have to remove the sump cover, and after you remove the sump cover, and then you can be able to access your oil filter. So this is our oil filter. The only way you can remove it is underneath the car after you remove the sump covers. So yeah, this is our oil filter, front of the engine. Okay, so I like the intelligent way the Isuzu did on this. They actually put a pan or a receiver of an oil. After you screw your filter, this pan will receive the oil, and then from this pan it will lead the oil through this point, and then from this a point it will drop to your dish. So it's so smart and so neat. I love it, the smart way of the oil. So this is so nice. You can see it's dropping straight to the dish, and yeah, I like it. It's an intelligent way. So this is our oil filter. This is our oil filter right at the front of the engine. You can access it underneath the car. Z538. So after replacing my new oil filter, so I'm adding some oil in my D-taq D-max engine. Thank you for watching Highway Pro. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next.